Senior Action is a nonprofit in Greenville, South Carolina that provides programs and services for seniors. We've been around for about 50 years. At the heart of all that we do is trying to keep people active and engaged through a variety of programs like music and art and games and exercise and fitness. And we also provide a lot of services that people need, again, to stay involved and active in our community, like medical transportation, home delivered meals, lawn care service, and things like that. We have 8 locations in our area, and this big project that we're talking about today is our newest venture. It's a 35,000 square foot space for us to do all of those things: art, music, exercise classes, etc. And a place for people to just be together, which is really important, especially coming out of what we've just been experiencing for the last year. So we're very excited about this. But the other thing that was really important about this project was that we were trying to redevelop a blighted property in town and turn it into something really wonderful and beautiful for our community. As we were going through the purchase real estate transaction process, we ran into a pretty significant roadblock, which was a brownfield situation, and it had the impact of stopping this project dead in its tracks if we hadn't solved it. So luckily we worked with our attorneys and we engaged HRP to help us try to solve that problem, and we did. We were able to prove to the Department of Health that we could mitigate, that it wasn't something that should stop the project. And so then what you see here today is this beautiful building that we were able to go forward with because of HRP's help.
Weitsch was proud to partner with Senior Action and HRP to narrow the deed restrictions that would have prevented redevelopment of this site. Using HRP's technical comprehensive evaluation, we were able to interface with the regulators, the South Carolina Department of Health and Environmental Control, to demonstrate that those deed restrictions could be narrowed in a way that would allow this project to proceed. What has resulted is the beneficial reuse of this site in a way that benefits the entire community.
Hi, my name is Kate Hendrickson with HRP Associates. I'm the manager on this project. HRP's role in this project and this redevelopment of this property was to perform the Phase 1 environmental site assessment. Our Phase 1 identified several areas of concern, which resulted in performing indoor air sampling, providing the results to the state agency, and ultimately allowing the redevelopment of this property as a senior center. There were many challenges with this project at every step of the way, one including indoor air sampling that was performed in this space and 2 other spaces. We provided the information to DHEC that ultimately gave them the data to allow redevelopment of this site into a senior center.
HRP was great to work with. They were trustworthy, they were professional. They made me feel very confident that we were going to get through the process, even though it was a little scary at times. But because of this, I think what is really amazing is we've shown people that you can be creative about redeveloping old properties and persevered through roadblocks and get the right people to help you. We can do a lot of things to change our community.